Hi viewers, we will discuss parallel lines and their equations. So in coordinate geometry, we define parallel lines by saying that their gradient are equal. Means when two lines are parallel, their gradient are equal. A gradient we denote with m1 and m2. So m1 equal m2. So this will help us to find out the parallel lines. So for example, if we have a equation y is equal to 3x plus 2, and we are looking another parallel line, so we can say that in generally we say y is equal to mx plus c. So c can be different. C is y-intercept point. But another parallel line which is related to this, we can say that y is equal to 3x plus 4, 5, any number, any digit which relates slope intercept or y-intercept point, but gradient must be same. When the gradient are equal, we will say that these two lines are parallel. So I will apply the same concept in the exercise. Have a look. Here they want us to find out a straight line has an equation 3y minus 3x equal 4. Write down the equation of another straight line parallel to it. So in generally, what is that? So the first point is we have the given equation is 3y minus 3x is equal to 4. We have to make y subject because general equation of straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. This is general equation of straight line. We will try to make y subject in this case. So for that, I will take this minus 3x other side. So it would be 3y is equal to 3x plus 4. One more step because we are looking only y. Y must be a subject form. So it means we have to divide the other side or divide by 3, both side of the equation. We can say that y is equal to 3x plus 4 over 3. But we are looking the separate value. So this 3 is basically LCM. We can say that it is 3 over 3x plus 4 over 3, or it is y is equal to 1x plus 4 over 3. So here if we try to figure it out what is our gradient, so we can say that our gradient is 1. We find out the gradient is 1 in this equation which is given, and we are looking another equation which is parallel to it. So we say generally y is equal to mx plus c. So now of our second parallel line, the gradient must be same. M1 is equal to 1. I will apply the same gradient. So my second parallel line will be y is equal to 1x plus c. C you can find out if the points are given. Here we are not able to find value of c. But only we can say that this line y is equal to 1x, y is equal to 1x plus c is parallel to y is equal to 1x plus 4 over 3. These two lines are parallel. I hope so it is clear. We move on question number 2. In this question, a straight line has equation y is equal minus x plus 6. Which of the following lines is our parallel to it? So here in this question or equation or line, we have the gradient, the point which is before x, it is exactly minus 1. Means y is equal to minus 1x plus 6. It means gradient is equal -1. Now we will try one part from this, which is D. So it is D part y plus x is equal to 1/10. So we will try to make as y subject. So first thing, take x from left to right. It would be y is equal to minus x plus 1/10. So no need to solve more, just write what is the gradient of this equation of line, straight line. So we have gradient m is equal -1. The value which comes before x, that is exactly -1. So if you uh, check, the gradient of this line is exactly same the gradient of the given line. It means part D, or this equation y is equal to minus x plus 1/10 is parallel to the given equation. Okay, is parallel. Why we say parallel? Because gradients are equal. Okay, m1 equal m2. I hope so it is clear. We will try now one more questions when how to find another parallel line when the one equation of line is given. For example, we have question number 4, and we can find out C as well because points are given. I'm trying this part C. So let's have a look. Y equal minus 3x plus 1. First thing, here we know straight away the gradient. The gradient is m equal minus 3. And we are looking another line, which is in general y is equal to mx plus c, but it must be parallel to this. So if it is parallel, we have the same gradient. So another line, equation of line will be y is equal to minus 3x plus c. But this line, they say find an equation of line parallel to this that pass through. So this equation of line pass through this point -5. You can check a b, but I'm checking c. Okay, -5/2 comma 4. So by applying these 2 points, you can figure it out value of c. Here the first value represent, which is -5/2x, and the second value of ordered pair represent y. So once you replace here, it is 4 is equal to -3 bracket open -5/2 plus c. Try to simplify. So it is 4 is equal to plus 15/2 plus c. So we can take 15/2 other side. This is 4 years. So c is equal to 4 minus 15/2. By taking LCM concept, make denominator same. So we would say that 8, 4 to the 8 minus 15/2. So c is equal -7/2. So apply or substitute this value of c in the above equation, which is here. Y is equal to -3x plus c. So now our required equation is -3x. In place of c, I will write -7/2. Oh, that's it. This is, you can simplify more, but if you want to stop here, it's okay. Correct. I hope so it is clear. Yes, viewers, now we will move on how to plot straight lines or slopy lines on the graph paper. So before plotting, we have to make small table, and for that, we try to make y as a subject. So we will try to simplify to show this equation of line as in subject of y. So we know that LCM is 6 because 3 and 2 has LCM 6. So try to make denominator same. We have to multiply 2 here with 3. So next step, it is 2x plus 3y/6 is equal to 1. So after this, we can think like cross multiply concept. So cross multiply, we will write 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 multiply 1, 6. Now I will take 2x right side to try to make y subject. 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 6. And one more step, we are looking only y. So y is equal to minus 2 over 3x plus 6 over 3. Or we can say that minus 2 over 3x plus 2, because 3 can cancel 6 by multiplying 2. So this is our required equation of straight line in subject y. Here, if you check, your gradient is negative. So whenever we have gradient negative, so line will goes left to right down. And our slope intercept, for example, if I say what is the gradient of this equation of line, so m is equal to minus 2 over 3, and y intercept, which is c, means your line when you draw on the graph paper, it must touch or cut the point 2 along y-axis. So means pass through point 2. This is y-intercept. And gradient is negative, so your line will go from left to right down. Now, how to draw? For that, we need to complete one small table. So, for example, we can check 1, 2 values like from our mind. But remember that here we have fractional case like minus 2 over 3. So choose such value of x so that you get answer in integer, not in fraction. So it would be easy for us. For example, if I check at 0, when x is 0, I can suppose to say that here my equation of line is y is equal to minus 2 over 3x plus 2. So at x is equal to 0, I'm getting y is equal to minus 2 over 3 into 0 plus 2. So y is equal to 0 plus 2 means y is equal to 2. So here y is 2. One more point, so that would be easy for us to draw. We can check another point and think about that point. If I, let's suppose, write 2 here, so 2 will give you answer in fraction or in decimals. If I check 3, 3, it is possible because once you replace 3, 3, 3 cancel, fine. So I'm gonna check at 3 now. So 3, and if you replace 3 in the equation, which is y is equal to minus 2 over 3x plus 2, so y is equal to minus 2 over 3 into 3 plus 2, cancel 3 and 3, so y is equal to 0. So here we are getting 0. It means 2 points are enough. After this, we can draw on the graph paper. So we need lines. For example, here y-axis, and this side we have x-axis. So how to plot? For that, we need to draw these coordinates. These coordinates are what? 0 comma 2 and 3 comma 0. So this is our origin. Every origin to right, every one box equal 1, I will consider as 1, 2, 3. Up also 1, 2, 3. Down also negative 1, negative 2. Left negative 1, negative 2, up to so on. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, y dash and x dash. So if I plot the first point, which is 0, 2, it is exactly here. This one, this is the point 0, 2. And the second point 3 comma 0, you can find out here. This is the point. Just take your scale and draw one line which pass through these points here. So it's better we change the color as well. Let's pose this one here and extend this line, same as you can extend from here up. So this is the required line which we find out, and I already mentioned in the start of this question, our line will be left to right down. Why? Because our gradient is negative. So wherever your gradient is negative, line is always from left to right down. And look, this line passed through point 2. So I already mentioned in the start over point C, our y-intercept is 2 here, if you check carefully. And gradient is negative, so line goes down from left to right. I hope so it is clear. Yes, viewers, we know how to solve simultaneous equation by using substitution concept or by elimination concept, but here we in coordinate geometry, we will try to figure it out by using graphical means or method also. And we will check the same question by algebraic means also. For example, we try one question from this exercise. Let's suppose D part for question number 2. So that D part is x is equal to y, x is equal y, and the second equation is x plus y plus 6 equals 0. So I will check two methods. One is by graphical means, and second by algebraic. So let's see these two methods in the graph paper as well. So fine. Here, we already know that the first equation is slopey line y is equal to x. Either you can say that this one is y is equal to x or x is equal to y, both are correct. When y is equal to x, it's a slopey line and it passes through origin. This is easy, but we will think about the second line, okay? Try to make y subject, y is equal to, take x and 6 other sides, so minus x and minus 6. So this is my second line. Remember that when you have we have two lines and here we have gradient negative, so line will goes left to right down and over, like gradient is -1 and slope intercept point is -6. So when you draw it pass through -6 as well, and the gradient is negative left to right down. We need two values of this. Like if I try to make one small table to complete the values so that I can plot on the graph paper x and y. So my values are, let's suppose you can check at 0. So when x is 0, we have -6 value of y. And one more point, let's suppose we are checking at 2 plus 2. So if you have plus 2, it gives me -2, -6, -8. 2 points are enough. Same as also for y is equal to x. This means the value of x and y both are same. For example, x is 1, y is also 1. This is x, this is y. If x is 1, y is 1, x is 2, y is 2. Or for example, x is 3, y is 3 also. Both have same values. So when we plot on the graph paper these values, so look, the formation of the question is what? For example, we draw here one line along y-axis and one line along x-axis. So we have big value. -6 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it will come. -8. It's better we draw big values. So here, I hope so it's manageable now. Now if I plot the values, for example, first one 0 -6. This one is the line, okay? So 0 -6, this is origin, this is x-axis, this is y, this is y dash, this is x dash. So 0 to right we have positive values, 0 to left negative values, 0 to up positive 1, 2, like that, 3, 0 to down negative values, -1, -2. So I'm looking 0 -6, it is exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the point, which is 0 -6. And second point, 2 -8. So 2 along x-axis right side and -8 down. So it means it is more down. This is if 6. So here -7 and -8. This is the point. This point is 2 comma -8. So when you draw a line, you have to draw like that way and extend it also, okay? Like connect this one and extend it also. I hope so it works. Yes, you can check also. It works. And the second one, very easy, which is y is equal to x when x is 1, y is 1, when x is 2, y is 2. So you can straight away say that x is 1, y is 1, x is 2, y 2, x3, y3, x4, y4, same as negative, negative. You will get like these points. You will get like these points. So draw another line. Okay, that line we can choose another color and draw. So it is like that. And you can see that these two lines intersect one point, and that is your solution, okay? Where these two lines intersect. We can easily see that these two lines intersect at this point. What is it? This is along x-axis 1, 2, 3, 3 unit left means -3, and along y-axis it is 1, 2, 3 down -3, -3. So this is the point. We find out with the help of graphical methods or means. So same question we will try to solve by algebraic. So let's have a look first. So we have first equation is x is equal to y. Okay. So I would say x minus y is equal to 0. I just rearrange. Okay. Take y from right to left. Second equation was x plus y. X plus y. I'm taking 6 other side. Okay. So it would be -6. Now if you see by algebraic concept, we I'm applying elimination concept. So by elimination I will straight away add, like, because plus y and minus y plus y cancel, x plus x, we have 2x is equal to -6. So x is equal to -6 divided by 2 gives us -3. So this is one value. Replace the value of x minus 3 in any one of the equation. So first equation is x minus y equals 0. So if I replace the value of x here, which is -3, that gives me minus y is equal to +3. So, but I'm looking plus y. So multiply minus both sides. So it would be y is equal to -3. So now I find out the value of x -3 and value of y also -3. Means x and y both are negative. So remember that this is our solution. This is our solution by algebraic method, and this is the solution by graphical method. Both way we are getting the same answer. I hope so you understand how to solve simultaneous equation by algebraic way or by graphical method.